I'm Professor Kale PB from Mechanical Department of Sir Sundarbai Manik Artsur Polytechnic, Trans Ahmednagar. I am going to explain you the practicals of solid modeling and additive manufacturing 22053. In that first, practical number 1 is draw and print two simple 2D geometry using Sketcher command. First, practical significance is that to create a 3D feature, it is necessary to draw its 2D sketch in Sketcher environment to Sketcher environment. The sketch of the feature is created, dimensions and constraints are provided to sketch. The design can make to sure that 2D sketch of the product is satisfying the necessary condition, then continue to create 3D model of the product in the part mode. Okay, course outcome is prepare a 2D drawing using Sketcher workbench of any parametric modeling software. Practical outcome operate available modeling software to draw 2D sketch for engineering product. Okay. Then this is a 2D sketch. Is in your first practical, we are going to draw in CATIA software, means computer aided three-dimensional integrated application. Okay, CATIA is a Dassault system software. In that, we are going to study how to operate CATIA software and how to draw in that. In version 5, when we are going to draw in CATIA software in version 5, then when you click on this icon, there is a this window will open. Okay, then first start, then mechanical design, and then part design. Okay, in that new part will be open. Click on OK. Okay, then this window will be open. When you click on plane, XY plane, YZ plane and ZX plane, there this will be shown in this. Okay, we will click on XY plane and then go to sketch. Okay, when you go to sketch, this window will open. Okay, in that first some toolbar is there: view toolbar, profile toolbar, sketch toolbar and constraint operation toolbar. Okay, in that first, this is a view toolbar. Okay, view means in that first fit in all, means to fit your screen. Okay, this is a pan. Pan means rotate. Okay, this is a zoom in and zoom out operation. This is a normal view. Okay, this show you a normal view of your diagram. Then this is the profile toolbar. This will be very useful for to draw your diagram. This is the constraint toolbar. Constraint means give a dimension. When you draw a circle, then you have to do constraint. Okay, click on constraint, then select diagram. Okay, when you change this constraint, double click on it and change dimension. Okay, select dimension. Okay, then select diagram and delete it. Okay, uh, then your first practical diagram I'm showing in first to you. Okay, when you draw a diagram, drawing should be must in center. Okay, this is a line command in profile toolbar. This is a very useful to draw of your geometry. Okay, select, double click on it, then draw. Okay, then give a dimension. Okay, double click, your line is 120 mm, so give its half 60 mm. Okay, okay, total line is 120 mm, so this is a mirror operation. When you select it and then mirror, okay, this is a total line is 120 mm. Okay, next in your diagram, click on line, then this line having dimension is 30 mm. Okay, give 30 mm. Okay, then also in that also we are mirror this. Okay, then next there is a one circle on center. Select circle and then draw a circle. This circle having dimension 50 diameter. Okay, then the distance of give constraint, select center and this line. This distance is 70 mm. Okay, then there is a one another circle having dimension of 80 diameter. Okay, click on it and give the dimension. Okay, this is your diagram. In that this line and this circle will be joined, and that's why there is a one command used to join this. This is a bitangent line. Okay, when you select bitangent line, then select your object. Okay, again select bitangent line and select object where the line to be drawn. Okay, this is your first practical. Okay, then this portion will be trimmed. How it will trim? There is a operation toolbar. In that quick trim option is there, and then when you select quick trim, then select a part which will you trim. Okay, this will be your diagram. Okay, this is your first practical to draw 2D diagram. Okay,